This is my Galaxy J8 and I got Android 10 2 weeks ago, and today I like to share you guys my using experience. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT, so let's start the video. Let's move on the main video. Android 10 we also get blue light effect and systemized dark mode. Dark mode very useful for the Super AMOLED display, and it is also help to battery saving. Next, talk about the navigation bar. You can get full screen gesture navigation. I will suggest to use second use. Swipe left to right to back. So let's open camera app. Live focus, photo, video and more. You can got night mode, panorama, pro mode and etc. After Android 10 I got new animation of the app opening and closing. Yeah, I like Android 10 update. You can got new system-wise screen recorder. You do not need any extra app to record your phone. You can easily record your phone with your system-wise screen recorder. It's working pretty good. Now talk about Google Assistant. You can get Google Assistant too easy. Swipe left and swipe right. By the way, I am making another video about One UI2 5 hidden feature. Please check out the video description line. After Android 10, phone performance and battery life more enough for this 2 years older phone. Face unlock and other app opening speed is still pretty well. After Android 10, I do not face any big problem and issue, and if you guys facing any problem and issue, I think Samsung fix all the problem as soon as possible, get the new update. If Samsung give any software update in the future, I make another video about that. I hope you guys like this video, enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Allah Hafiz.